I'm the director of training for Rainbow Restoration. So I'm involved with working with our franchise locations, trying to influence them and help them have better support and better understanding of the industry. And the RA to me has done so much, from advancing designations to putting out critical papers for our industry to help our franchise owners get better results or better information to be able to justify what they're doing in the industry and with carriers that constantly are pushing back. I think it's critical that we as an organization, as independent restorers, franchises, corporately owned stores, all work well together as one united front towards our insurance companies, as we are such a small player in this pool. And if we're going to be continuing to have better standards, better information, better support for us, we need to challenge the rest of the economy, the insurance companies, TPAs, and all those other organizations as a united front. Canadians and Americans see a lot of the same stuff. I, being a Canadian that live in the US, I constantly see a lot of conversation around the fact that it's so different in Canada. And as much as it's different, there's a lot of similarities to it. And already seeing with just the short time that the AGA Canada has been involved, put out some incredible information for Canadians to help support and change the way insurance companies deal with restorers. It's been incredible.